Hello. In this short video, I want to talk about the new features that have been released in the 040 release of the Chocolatey for Visual Studio Code extension. So in the last release, we included the ability to create a new Chocolatey package from within Visual Studio Code. So I can simply go up here and type the name of a package, and then Chocolatey will scaffold out a new project into the current working directory that I've got open within Visual Studio Code. So you'll see here that I've just created test package A. Okay. If I do that again, I have two packages, and we'll call this test package B. What I want to show is the new feature, which is the ability to also pack those new spec files. So right now I've got both a test package A and a test package B new spec. And if I go back up to the command palette and type Chocolatey, you'll see that there's this new one, which is to pack Chocolatey packages. So if I go ahead and click on that one, what it's going to prompt me for is that it's went ahead and found all the new spec files within the current workspace, and it's asking me which one of those do I want to pack. So right now, those commands won't work, but for a different reason. So if I go into this new spec file and I go ahead and change this to actually be a version number rather than a placeholder, and I do the same in this file, which is going to be down here, and I'll change this to something different, such as that. If I run that command again, and say to pack Chocolatey packages, let's go ahead and just say I want to pick that first new spec for new test package A. If I click on that, it'll then prompt me for any additional arguments I want to pass in. An example of that would be an output directory, for example, or a version number, or additional arguments you want to pass in as part of the pack for templating. But I'm just going to say accept all the defaults in a minute. So that means it's just going to output the generated nupkeg or new spec, new nupkeg or new package into the folder that it found the new spec. So you'll see here that it's went ahead and it's created that new spec. So if I go ahead and delete that and run that command again, so this time I'm going to say pack all new spec files that it finds rather than just a single one. And again, I'll say no additional arguments. This time around, it'll run ChocoPack on both of those new specs and place them into the location that new spec's found. So this is one of the new features that we've added into this extension. Now that we have the ability to run any arbitrary Chocolatey command within this VS Code extension, the plan is to start adding more functionality into this. So if you have any ideas about functionality you'd like to see, feel free to reach out via the GitHub repository and create an issue with some suggestions about what you'd like to see. Thank you very much.